So, paano nga ba gawing 0 following ang ating Facebook? Pero kung ako naman, ayoko lang makita ng mga marites na or kung kanino ako nakafollow. They will know what are my interests, who is my favorite artist, and where I am from. Char, parang artista lang. So dito, I will teach you how. This is very simple and easy steps. How to make it 0. Siya nga pala, shout out kay Grace Martin Comendador na may 0 following. So ito na, punta tayo sa settings and privacy. And then, punta tayo sa privacy. Under privacy, hanapin nyo yung your activity. Dahil ang default nitong who can see the people, pages, and list you follow, default niyan is public. So, set natin to only me. Try natin view by clicking the 3 dots sa gilid ng ating profile. Then, click the view as. Or pwede try nyo tingnan sa second Facebook account mo to make sure that you have the 0 following na. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple, right? That's all for now, and I hope you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to like and subscribe.